morning, all. Linear integrated circuits. Here, today, I'm gonna take the topic clippers and clampers. Clippers. In electronics, a clipper is a device designed to prevent the output of a circuit from exceeding a predetermined voltage level without distorting the remaining part of the applied waveform. A clipper is also known as a voltage limiter, or it is also known as a wave shaping circuit. A clipper circuits can be commonly used in digital computers and communication such as TV and FM receiver. There are two types of clippers. One is the positive clipping and the other one is the negative clippers. Positive clippers. Let us look into the diagram of the positive clippers. Here the diode acts as the main role. In both positive clipper and the negative clipper, we use the op-amp 741. Circuit that removes positive part of the input signal can be used as a positive clipper. Here the voltage V reference should be less than the input range of the op-amp. Thus the circuit has only the positive portions of the positive off cycle. Above V reference clipped off. Negative clippers. In negative clipper is obtained by simply reverse dioxing the diode T1. Hence, the negative clipper clips off the negative parts of the input signal below the reference voltage. Let us look into the diagram of the both positive and negative clipper. Here, the positive clipper has only the positive part of the waveform clipped off, and the negative clipper has the negative part of the waveform clipped off. So clipper finds several applications such as off-wave rectifier in power supply kits. It can also be used in voltage limiters and amplitude selectors. Clampers. A clamper is nothing but it is a network that shifts a waveform to a different level. Hence, the clamper is also called an amplitude limiter. DC inserter or a restorer. The circuit is used to add a desired DC level to the output voltage. So, a clamper circuit is used to add fixed voltage level to the maximum or minimum value of the input signal. Operation of clampers. Let us look into the simple operation of clampers. From time period 0 to T/2, the diode D is in on state, hence the voltage is 0 volt. Next, from the time period T/2 to T, diode is in off state, hence the voltage V0 is equal to -2V volt. It also has two types of clampers. One is positive clamper and the other one is negative clamper. Positive clamper. In positive clamper, during the positive off cycle, diode D is reverse biased, hence the total output voltage V0 is equal to V reference plus Vm. In negative clampers, the diode D is reverse biased for the first off cycle, hence the total output voltage is the maximum of the 2 times of the input signal. So here during positive clamping, the positive waveform is clamped to 2V maximum value. During negative clamping, the negative waveform or the negative off cycle is clamped to -2V maximum value. So applications of clampers includes test equipments, radar system, sonar system, electronic countermeasure system, and also in TV receivers. Thank you.